Welcome back to our Countdown to Splash series. This week I have the privilege of bringing on a member of our data science team, Candice Sutterfield. So welcome, Candice. How about we start with having you introduce yourself?
Thanks. Yeah, so my name is Candice Sutterfield. I've been with Archetype for just over 5 months now. I started out my career in the banking insurance industry, doing various things, and then moved into public sector and have been doing a lot of, by and large, data engineering. So data modeling, data warehousing. And then I started a master's in data science and was able to find this role with Archetype to pursue my interest in data science. So I'm really excited to be here.
Love it. And now, so just over 5 months, what's been your favorite part working at Archetype?
Oh my gosh. Well, just moving into consulting instead of being in industry is just so much fun because I get to meet new clients, new data sets, new use cases. So I really love that. And then just being able to, like I say, use the data science in actual industry business solutions has just been super fun. And then, of course, I have to say the cliche, working with my recruiter from Archetype, Mitchell.
Yes, absolutely. I love it.
Yes. But no, I do have an absolutely fantastic team, so much experience, and yeah, just trying to glean all the information from them. It's just been so wonderful.
And I would love to take full credit of finding you and bringing you on board. But if I remember correctly, it was actually at the Splash Conference last year.
That is true. I met Danny at Splash last year, and we started to chat, and here we are.
Love it. So now let's talk about actually specifically OneStream, and obviously with the Splash Conference coming up, we're only 9 weeks out now. If you haven't listened to the first one, everybody, we had Joe on last week, definitely go listen to that. But I love your perspective of OneStream. It's a little more unique in your career that you came from the customer side of an implementation of OneStream during your time at Texas A&M University Systems. So I'm curious from that side, what was your favorite part of the OneStream platform that got you excited?
Yeah, so I was part of the implementation team for OneStream at the A&M system, and coming off of another, well, really it was more of a CRM solution implementation. OneStream was exceedingly refreshing because it is so flexible. It is not an open source platform, but it feels almost like that because you can almost accomplish anything inside of, for financial reporting inside of that platform. And, coming from another solution, in a somewhat different industry, the solution drove your business process. Like you had to change your business to be able to use the tool. And that is just not the case with OneStream. Like we were able to take whatever crazy fund accounting we had going on and be able to put that into the system and use it efficiently. And so I think that is probably my favorite thing is nearly anywhere in the flows of everything, you can inject custom code and get just as customized as you want.
Yeah, I remember talking with John Moorhead, who runs our Center of Excellence here on our OneStream team at Archetype, and he mentioned that aspect of you can nearly do anything you want inside it. The question is always, should you though?
That is an excellent question to ask along the way. Yes.
So now you're part of our data science team here at Archetype, and obviously we're all excited for OneStream's Sensible ML data science component of their platform. And you're actually attending their boot camp coming up here in the next couple weeks. What are you excited about with OneStream now being on the consulting side and getting into now the machine learning space with their platform?
Yeah, it is really exciting. Just to see them investing and moving into these new areas is really exciting. Seeing them pursue the machine learning is just fun. I really do appreciate how they are rolling it out. So it is a somewhat of a limited offering. They're only doing time series modeling at the current moment. But by and large, if you're in finance, that is primarily what you're going to be using. And it's encouraging to me to see a company that's actually taking their time and being thoughtful and strategic about the offerings that they're putting out. So I'm excited to see, and since they are such a huge hook in to the mainstream platform or the OneStream platform, I totally expect to see that same customization and the same be able to manipulate and get in there. So, it's a very hard line to balance the data science tools of let the data scientists have all the hyperparameter tuning and all the knobs and levers to twist versus let a business person get in there. So there's always that balance that they're having to play of what is going to give the data scientists, true data scientists, the most, granularity and precision that they need, but also still be able to offer to a business person and let them come into that process and understand. So it will be really interesting to see just the initial offerings and then how it evolves over time.
That's awesome. Yeah, I like that. And obviously we'll have to, when you come back from the boot camp, do another one of these and kind of discuss maybe some things that you learned or what you're excited about afterwards as well. So we'll definitely have to do that. And I appreciate you coming on, Candice. Super excited in general of having you lead the charge with OneStream and Sensible ML here at Archetype. So keep up the great work there. And thanks everyone for tuning in, and make sure to register for Splash in DC. It's coming up 9 weeks now, and come back next time to see we showcase and bring on here. Thanks.
Thanks.